Hey call center experts, in this video I'll walk you through a comprehensive tour of the Supervisor Workspace in MightyCall Call Center Software. Once you open the main dashboard, it presents a view of real-time statistics. Here, you will gain insights into online calls as they happen, calls queued up, awaiting response, the longest wait time experienced, and missed calls over the last hour. In addition to this, a few critical metrics are readily available to keep a pulse on call center performance. The average waiting time in the last hour and the service level, which shows the value of the threshold you select. Now, what additional features does the Supervisors toolset have? Well, the main highlight is the live call monitoring function, equipped with 4 options: call listening, permitting you to observe a call without intrusion; call whispering, an option where the supervisor can discreetly coach the agent mid-call without the customer's awareness; call barging, which allows intervention if an agent is facing difficulties; and finally, call intercept, where supervisors can take the lead, disconnecting the agent to directly engage with the customer. Pay attention that there are 3 tabs. The first one is called Calls, and it's for manually dialed calls for inbound calls happening in your call center. The second one, Campaign Calls, is specifically for calls dialed within outbound dialer campaigns. And the Statuses tab. Here, you will know exactly what your agents are doing at the moment. Available, offline, do not disturb, and any other custom statuses you create in the account settings. With the built-in timer, you know how long each agent has been in each status. To narrow down your search, you can filter by campaign or group or employee to get the data you need. On the top of that, you can also see the agent's details in the right section, the campaigns they work on, their work groups, and their numbers. It's also possible to change the agent's status by clicking on the current status here. One more important detail, the 3-dot menu allows supervisors to view the agent's reports, supervise them in real time, or open their profile. And of course, supervisors do not just monitor agents. They often need to make calls themselves. So the built-in Webphone is right there in the bottom right corner. It allows them to quickly make and receive calls and perform all necessary actions during a call: transfer, add participants, access the dial pad to dial extensions, and drop voicemail messages. If you need historical data, go to the Reports tab, where you can find all the necessary reports: call logs and message logs, campaign performance metrics, disposition summaries, call volume trends, and agent productivity stats. So that's the Supervisor Workspace in MightyCall. Everything you need to monitor performance, guide agents, and stay in control of your call center in real time. If you still have any questions, you can always contact our friendly support team to get them answered. Happy calling!